clips now clip onto the coils. I got the new replacement parts from DigiKey Electronics. Okay, so what you want to do is you got to get this clip off here first. Has 3 little clips on it. You can get a small screwdriver set from, say, like Walmart or something, really cheap. That would help you get these apart. Yeah, they're not too bad, but they can be a little stubborn because they clip back really easy. Yeah, you just gotta wiggle it around until you get that little screwdriver in there, just like that, and get it to separate the plastic. Apparently I'm knocking boxes off and stuff back there. Alright, and then this little housing for the wires, it just comes right off. There's nothing else holding it besides those little clips. And then you have to take and get this back piece off, and it just pulls out. Well, if you get it. Yeah, it does clip into place, but it just pulls straight out, so. Kind of gotta finesse it a little bit to motivate it to come straight out. Yeah, see. It's not very difficult. It just takes a little bit of practice to get it to wiggle out. I mean, anything with electronics, with them being small, unless you have small hands, it takes a little bit of effort. Okay, so let's get the bigger screwdriver, and then we'll get this red clip right here. And this red clip just pushes out. You just take a screwdriver and push on the bottom sides, and that little clip comes out. So once you get that, then you have to get these connectors out. And what I do is I pull on the wire, and then I unclip one side while keeping tension on the wire, and then pull the other side. Oh, see, I let off the tension, so it clipped back in. However, if you don't let off the wire, it should come right out. Yeah, there it goes. Just like that. Okay, so there's one. Okay, before I forget, we're looking at white, blue, and gray with the security tab up. White, blue, and gray. Might as well tell myself what the colors are so I don't forget. And if I do, I can always go back in the video and look at it. Alright, so there's that one. Take this little rubber housing off, because that's trash. And then here's the little clips. I think it was like 12 bucks, 11 or 12 bucks for all 4 of them. Not really expensive at all. Better than replacing the whole wiring harness when you don't need the whole thing. Okay, that apart. We'll take this back out. And then the rubber housing. Okay, so the way that we got to put this back together is we have to put the little rubber housing that keeps moisture and stuff out. We've got to put it, actually, you know what? We got a new one of these, so let's take that off too. This is the back retaining clip, so let's take that off, and then we'll put the new one on. Might as well replace the whole thing since we got the parts to do it. Okay, and then we'll shove this through the weather grommet, and then we'll take our new clip and we'll slide that right into place. If you look, it has grooves that they slide into, and you gotta make sure the little tabs are up so they can lock into place. And then white, blue, and gray, like we said, with the security tab up. And then see if we can't get these to slide in. Okay, there's one. Work on this second one. 2, 3. And then we'll push that rubber housing in, and then we'll use the bigger screwdriver and we'll push that down into the housing, get it seated, and then follow it with the plastic retaining clip. And then once we do that, we take the wiring part, or the housing that keeps the wire to the side on the connector. We'll take it, and then we will put these wires back in this loom. It's a little brittle, but that's okay. Okay, we'll take these. There's 2 grooves. We'll want to go into the bottom groove. Or make sure that the retaining clip is just pushed in all the way before you seat it. And then once that's seated, we'll take this and we will run the wires through it, and then we'll put our other retaining clip right on top. And then once we simply get that done, it just snaps right back together. Just like that. Yep. Okay, and then we can take our new red retaining clip or protector for our pins, and it clips right in, and then you push the locking tab in. That's it. So we got